Hello everyone, welcome back to MindFuel TV, where we explore the most fascinating and impactful topics shaping our world. We're continuing our exciting 10-part video series on artificial intelligence, AI, in education, and today we're diving into AI-driven tutoring systems. In the previous videos, we introduced the concept of AI in education and explored personalized learning. Now, we'll focus on how AI-powered tutoring systems are revolutionizing the way students receive help. AI tutors are creating a new wave of accessible, on-demand learning experiences. Let's take a closer look at how these systems work and the incredible potential they have to support students. So, without further ado, let's jump into today's video. AI-driven tutoring systems. Imagine you're struggling with a challenging subject but can't find immediate help. AI-driven tutoring systems are designed to step in and offer personalized, instant support. These systems use advanced algorithms to assess a student's learning style, strengths, and weaknesses. Based on this data, AI tutors adapt their teaching strategies to suit the student's unique needs. Whether it's math, language arts, or science, AI-powered platforms provide tailored explanations, solving problems step by step. The beauty of these systems is that they're available 24/7, offering students the flexibility to learn at their own pace. No more waiting for office hours or struggling to find a tutor. AI is always ready to assist. But how exactly do these systems work? AI tutoring systems analyze student performance through quizzes, assignments, and even interactive learning activities. They identify gaps in knowledge and provide targeted exercises that reinforce concepts. For example, an AI tutor can break down complex math problems into simpler parts, guiding the student through each step. These platforms can also track progress, adjusting difficulty levels to keep students challenged but not overwhelmed. Over time, the AI tutor continuously refines its approach, ensuring that learning remains both effective and engaging. This system doesn't just provide answers but fosters a deeper understanding by teaching problem-solving strategies. What's even more impressive is that these AI tutors are powered by natural language processing, which allows them to communicate with students in an intuitive, human-like manner. They can answer questions, explain concepts, and offer detailed feedback as if they were a personal tutor. The potential for AI tutoring goes beyond individual students. In classrooms with a high student-to-teacher ratio, AI tutoring can help ensure that each student gets the attention they need. Teachers can use AI systems to monitor student progress in real time and identify areas where extra help is required. These systems also enable teachers to focus on facilitating higher-level discussions while AI handles personalized instruction. From test preparation to subject-specific tutoring, AI is bridging the gap between students and the resources they need. As we continue to explore AI in education, it's clear that AI-driven tutoring systems are one of the most promising tools in supporting student success. But, just like any technology, there are challenges to consider. While AI tutors offer many advantages, it's important to strike a balance between human interaction and machine learning. Personalized tutoring cannot replace the emotional and social learning that students gain from teachers and peers. That's why AI tutors are best used in conjunction with human educators, creating a complementary relationship that maximizes the benefits for students. By combining AI's efficiency with the emotional intelligence of human teachers, we can create a more holistic and effective learning environment. Let's continue to explore this dynamic between technology and human educators in the upcoming videos. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the incredible potential of AI-driven tutoring systems. AI-powered tutors are enhancing learning experiences, making education more accessible, personalized, and efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MindFuel TV for more insightful content. We would love to hear your thoughts on AI tutoring systems. Do you think AI tutoring is the future of education? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and feel free to ask if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video as we continue to explore the exciting world of AI in education.